every time. The drill block has an ergonomic design that is comfortable in any application. The unit also features non-slip TPE pads on both sides to prevent slipping and marring on the work surface. There are center lines on all 4 sides of the drill block that are lined up with each hole location to help you make sure you are positioned exactly centered on your mark. Using these as a guide, you will drill a perfect hole every time. The base of the drill block is made of a reinforced nylon and will not heat up in your hand while drilling through metal. The drill block has a solid base that allows it to be clamped for stability. The V-block channel on the underside provides versatility on many different drilling surfaces, from round to corner profiles. On the top of the bushing block, there are 6 holes for common drilling.
EFM 1001 Power Precision Belt Sander. It's equipped with 3 different types of grinding arms, therefore it's highly applicable for a wide variety of applications. The variable speed ensures optimal control and finish for various applications and materials. It has a dust bag for a clean and healthy working space, and an extra long power cable. The 400-watt motor with up to 1600 rotations per minute ensures enough power for perfect precision sanding. Ideal for the sanding of wood, tiles, metal, ceramic or plastic.